dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
Welcome back to Reality Latest Gist, your number one channel for reality news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country. So we be Nigeria. Once again, we don't come with breaking news, we don't come with updates. Make a report for my table like this way. I need share give the general public. And this informate so my good people normally now about the things and things we they play for inside Edo State. And now the cocoa be say, despite the efforts that the Edo State government plus the Edo State Police Command don plaster to eradicate criminal headers, criminal men, jaguar men, then kidnappers from Edo State, despite the things and things where these men don't do to make sure say the life and properties of Edo State men are very much secure. E come back see if jaguar activities they very much inevitable. Because reports now dey ground say suspected herdsmen don attack one community for inside East and West local government area of Edo State. And sake of this attack, one countryman don bear RIP, while some other countrymen dem collect injury. And now eyewitness men wey observe how the thing take play, dem now don come outside the yarn say the attack occur, the attack come board when some of the indigenous people, men wey be predominant farmers, they been dey road to go their farms. They be dey on their way to their farms to go do their normal business as usual. And them now dey yarn say the aim of these herdsmen, their purpose, wetin dem come outside to come do, na to kidnap countrymen, na to kidnap farmers when they dey their farms, they do their normal. And now based on say they do their farming, they will come dey distracted. So when they do their farming, they will come grab these men them. But unfortunately, the farmers then resist the attack because as the kidnappers, as the jaguar men, they try to kidnap them now come pick race, they now come meow. But unfortunately for some men, they are not lucky enough. Them now no see jaguar men they around. They were so focused on doing their farming, so they no come observe say get bad men where they around, we get bad motive. And these farmers so called last come under attack as jaguar men come open fire on them. And in the process, one countryman wey dey go by the name Mr. Daniel come bear RIP. And this my good people now why reporters there, now why Tory people and even the Edo State government plus police command they like tell the general public say they dey very much vigilant, make them dey cautious of their surrounding. But however, my good people, countrymen who they stay for the community where the attack for happen so don't come outside they complain. Say the way attack till they happen for inside their community, it don't too much. Say for the last 2 years now so attack now they just they see. Now so attack they just they get and it no make sense at all. They say just last month here will be February for inside this year 2025. Now so one countryman self still bear RIP in the hands of jaguar men will be herdsmen. And they buy this man for inside his own farm. So and this man they go by the name Malambello Obadam. Then speaking on the latest incident, so we play on the 22nd day of March for inside this year 2025. The Honor J of Okun Kingdom can send a Save Our Soul, that is SOS message to the Edo State Governor, will be Senator Monday Ukpebulu, plus the Edo State Commissioner of Police, will be Mrs. Betty Otimeyin, plus the Director of the Department of State Services, plus the Director of Edo State Security Network, and the Divisional Police Officer Ekpoma, say make them come to their rescue. And for the SOS message women they arrange, then I come the yarn. Say the community so where the attack for happen will be Ukun, they in dire need of government intervention and assistance. They need the government now to come protect their life and properties. And they need the security, they need the protection ASAP, because with the way things they happen for their community, men now no can get rest again. Men now no can feel safe. And now after every when Tory people now don't contact the Edo State Police Public Relations Officer, will be Oga Moses Yamu, now they come outside the yarn. Say the Commissioner of Police don't review the security deployment in the area and calm down jaguar activities. Now, anyhow, this informate be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, feel free make it drop them inside our comment section. Meanwhile, I still get another report for my table like this way I still need share give the general public. And the cocoa be say the operational management of the Benin office of NEMA, will be National Emergency Management Agency. Them now they try to get a strategic partnership with the executive and members of the Nigerian Union of Journalists. And the aim of this partnership so now disaster control plus prevention and management for inside Edo State. Sake of this partnership now, the agency don't send senior officials on a courtesy visit to the National Union of Journalists, their secretariat for inside Benin City. And during their meeting so, One countryman wey dey go by the name NEMA Ojodiri, he na the Edo State head of operations for NEMA. He na dey yarn say as they don resume for the month of December for inside the year 2024 for inside Benin City, Edo State, in line with the vision of the agency, he na don decide to reach out to critical stakeholders dem for inside the state to ensure disaster control and management. And he na dey yarn say the NUJ, their press center, na the first port of call since journalists are critical stakeholders and they dey play a very vital role as they dey send viable informations, accurate informations on disaster control and management. And he still let them know say the visit e dey also to build and strengthen existing relationship to achieve greater results. And the National Emergency Management Agency, so wey be NEMA, they dey remain accountable and 100% prepared to collaborate with critical stakeholders in the areas of disaster management to achieve the purpose of their establishment. And also the visions and missions of the Director General is very much aimed at building relationships and collaboration with critical stakeholders to achieve success. And no be lie, my good people, e get the parable wey dey ground wey dey yarn say two good heads are better than one. And through partnership and collaboration, men now can get their job done easier and faster. So after every way the Edo State head of operations from NEMA don yarn, Comrade Festus, wey be the chairman of the Nigerian Union of Journalists, come dey give accolade to NEMA, their head of operations, and the entire team for their visit. And he na come dey yarn say if they want to achieve the desired results in disaster control and management for inside Edo State, then it is very much important say they gats come up with a healthy collaboration between the journalist body first respondents in disaster management and NEMA, wey be the National Emergency Management Agency. And sake of say the idea makes sense and last the partnership go do a lot of good to Edo State people, the chairman come dey assure the agency say the Edo State journalists are very much ready to partner with them. They are ready to partner with the agency towards ensuring effective and efficient disaster control and management system for inside the state, especially where it don become very much clear say journalists dey also report disaster incident information to the agency as well as the members of the public. But however, my good people, Comrade Festus, wey be the chairman of the Nigerian Union of Journalists, come dey urge the agencies make dem organize routine training programs for journalists for the purpose of sending viable and accurate information to the general public. So my good people, this na all of the information wey dey table like this. Anyhow the matter be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, so no let anybody or anything stop you. So feel free, make it drop am inside our comment section. Once again, now we be reality latest gist, and I would like giving our reality news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our green country wey be Nigeria. And if you be say you like this update and you would like to receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel and make you put on the notification bell so that as we bring more legit they come your way, now you go first receive the updates and you go even get them sharp. And try make you share the news they give your family and friends, make them too know wetin they play for inside this our green country wey be Nigeria. Now me they come back with more updates, me they come back with more news and reports for you, my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.